Ladies and gentlemen, part 2 of yesterday's episode. So Shebada dissed Pamputae after Barbara exposed her for allegedly stealing money from her.
Different message, you understand me, in order to collect a stipend. So the same thing I say Barbie Slims about Pamputae. Every day people eat, she alone suffer and batter in the industry. And she alone people don't like. I notice so funny, Barbara come out and state her story and all Pamputae could have do is say, let me talk me and leave them hanging. And it's not like you are the only one hanging in a music and in a life. In a music and in a life, you alone leave hanging. No, true, it's true. Pamputae, tell me the truth where God love. What are your accomplishments? Nothing. For you to be abusing all of them little people here, what were your accomplishments? What are they? Tell me where they try to accomplish. What are your accomplishments? You got $60,000 and you choose to give Barbara $8,000 plus teeth the woman microwave, and the woman has stated her displeasure today in this time, and all you can do is mock her. Anybody want a microwave? Pamputae your butter. Remember you're diabetic. Remember you're diabetic. And even so, you still not care. You alone come up with all of the motivational speech and I water the by your shoulder where you're weird like epaulets. Alright. And you're weird like epaulets. It's the same cry someone is having about you. You came 2 minutes ago and you stated displeasure about a former artist named Goofy. You say Goofy, do this and do that and rob you this and rob you that and I collect this and I collect that. Now Pamputae, my question to you is, when you took to the net and you were stating your displeasure about Mr. G, you were sending out a cry for help. You needed help against this man for something you stated that he had done to you of old. Now you understand how long ago that was. You get what I say? And you're still caught up about it now, today. So you're stating your displeasure in whatever fashion or whatever season. So when you took to the net and you stated displeasure, now Barbara and Pretty D, they are stating their displeasure against you. And all they can do is make a mockery of it as if you don't care. So you need to explain all of this. So when people come up and people are talk about your dirty folly and you want persons to believe that I am tearing down an individual like you that have torn down many females out and in the industry, why should we be lenient on you? I told you. When you're too ambitious, you become desperate. So you plague on any step. You understand? No, Barbara is not a woman for you as an established person, as they say, to rob. Barbara, we just are able to $8,000. It is fresh to me. Probably it is still news to others. But I am very much familiar with the microwave. And these are the stuff people support. When you talk about woman power, which part of the gender you start? When you say woman power, now, which part of the gender you start? Because remember, you are female, Bujo. It's the second time persons are stating negatively about you, or have stated negatively about you, Pamputae, and you seem to don't care. But yet still one person still listen to your voice. Are you that educated? I'm just asking.
What do you think? Do you think Barbara was lying? Let me know in the comments. So Jayden gets kicked out of his girlfriend's Portmore home the other day, and fans and trolls were all wondering if this was all a prank set up by Jayden and Ashley. Even Rosalie got involved where she called Italian out of his bed to go for Jayden. Italian was disrespected by Ashley, got water thrown in his face. Ashley, you know you rude. You think Italian is your man. You throwing water on the man like you own him? Very out of order. Not to mention how she dissed Jayden on his live throwing water in his face. You have some nerve. A mean Jayden is a real character who is hated, but why disrespect the man like that? Well, they say when you love sweets, people will treat you anyhow. Trust me, people treating you like this in a relationship is not worth your mental health. And so the drama started. It ended just as quickly, because Jayden left Rosalie's house, where he stayed and for some days, and went right back to Ashley. This is just not a relationship anyone should follow up, because it's toxic as hell. RT and Miss Blinga declare they are no longer friends after their huge fallout on TikTok Live. This whole feud has had both RT and Blinga's going back and forth about Blinga's not being a loyal friend because she didn't defend him when someone on her TikTok who she says she has no beef with allegedly talked trash about him. Not to mention RT being accused of being jealous of her relationship with TikTok police, who RT swears is using her.
Brawling pan your live, RT, please, me I beg RT.
Oh, wait, yes. Oh, yeah, me name remember. But you stop shoot before me tell her that. You stop shoot before me tell her that.
Me sharp shoot because you go fuck the police.
So why you so upset? Say me fuck police. Why is it?
Because I didn't agree with the police. I didn't agree with the
pussy remains.
No, I have authority in that pussy. I stand firm with that pussy.
You ever buy a dress for the pussy? You ever see the pussy?
I'm never interested for going at the pussy because the pussy never interested in me. The pussy they just want us to have a relationship and a friendship. But the bottom line is the pussy go fuck someone else where I don't approve. So therefore I have an issue because I'm saying this pussy careless. I thought this pussy was a pedigree pussy. A pussy have class.
Let's say you say me fuck police. Come, stick a pin. Let's
say you are try hide it and it is not hideable. For the time you hide it to them.
Me not hide nothing. Listen to me.
Stop hide that. It obvious. Hello.
Oh, please. Listen.
It's plain. The blind see. The artist when you Neo see.
You need no say
anybody. Blind see.
You have a pussy problem with me. You need to stop it.
Well.
Talk out everything, yeah, so talk out it because you already give them everything for talk. So talk out everything now.
Me not getting a hype because you're not giving a hype with TikTok lawyer. So therefore,
TikTok lawyer is not a person like you. You're a media person. You have a hype. You're famous. You're famous more than me. What the fuck is you saying? What is wrong with you? Right now,
let me address something.
Right now.
Both of you are look attention. Go suck your mama big pussy girl will come about attention. You are look because you're up. Your comment now draw 7 pint at blood clad people, but just because you want me see you. No me see you. Suck me and Miss Bling and every hot word will come out with blood clad mouth. You bitch. Sure. Back to you now, Bling.
Listen to me.
Me and Bling a judgment. I will rock this. Me tell Bling about him blood clot, him tell about blood clot. No, all the week can mash you up. All the week can nuclear. We is a blood clot eclipse. So go no mama, we write this. Talk all who know one blood clot talk as we write this script. God Almighty. Yes, we stand up in this.
So look here. Look here. So that means say I'm going to do the fundraiser for me do my
body. I do no blood clot body again. You're going to shape like a pig.
Then if me shape like a blood clot pig, why you worry about who me a fuck with my pig shaped bad body?
Yeah, right.
You have a problem and you need to stop it.
Now do no blood clot pig surgery. Yeah, you have to go one place to a blood clot Jamaica Negril name. Wait name
ag even. You better blood clot go ag even go look at ask the doctor ag and negril break into your body.
Me not fi do my body, you know. But you see, as long as me a hang around you better blood clot make me do my body. And I that me say
Me not do no blood clot body because you no good, you hypocrite towards me.
What that have to do with me? You feel like me a hypocrite towards you. I am not. You just want me to do something when me feel like say Jesus Christ RT. So drastic, so terrible. You want me to deal with this situation? You have to stop it. You is a man who put me in a batty wall and run well left me when you're ready.
You know, you look at him like this is a friendship, you're toxic.
You run well left me.
What? Blinga, what change in a one day?
Let me talk. You, the day you sit down with me, since as you want talk everything, go in your belly, I'm going in my belly and talk everything. Because since as you want talk, I tell you something, I want to do this. You come here, me and your day you go and run off the ground. From last year, me and you run off the ground. You're going on your feelings because of fuckery. You left me.
I'm going to feelings because you go down to Jamaica with police and then I go say you're the man that day when you're the man that the same blood clad house when time the man that say you are the man that own you. Listen.
I'm a boyfriend when you upset
when
me.
you go to Jamaica and then alright, slow down. Let me tell you, let me explain this. Let me carry your fans them in or something. Who remember when police just come and I call him constable now move? Who remember that? Well, who remember when police come? When police come, I stay out of she and police thing. Me never have no problem with she and police in the sense of me never too like the thing come here and say why would she think? But listen what me I say now, me just remember. When we there start chat like this, before police come and when him come and him, the day when him come and him introduce himself and he say name police, I'ma call him constable now move. Alright. Bling you really want me going at it?
I give 2 fuck where you want going. You know, see your class me on this. You think you see you?
You really want me because me know a level 7 class in me have one, you know.
Me not give 2 fuck because I alone can class. Stop carry pussy feelings to me. Stop carry pussy feelings
so,
one me say.
Police come in now. Hear the thing. I say to her on the live, say, listen, do not go to Jamaica. No, I say, when you are, listen, when you on the live, I say, Bling, I see you go to Jamaica, you know, some problem, you know, with you and police and something. When you come back at me, I have to help you, you know. I see some mix up, you know, and blood clot, I mean, same one, I have to go save you. I thought that pan fear show. All I fans them were watch. Remember when she and police come at me, I say, if you go to Jamaica, when some problem come at me, same one, I go say, boom, as the blood clot problem go, them start, I say, she and police and the close thing. I'm done that, my hypocrite friend, my love, I say, ready for throw your hand at the bus, run down for the hypocrite chair. I mean, I said, no, hypocrite, Dan. You know, we can grow because all of we are hypocrite together. No, she never with him. And then, you know, Dan know of control her hypocrisy. So Dan decided, say, all right, you know something now. All right, we're going to leave Bling alone. So the end of the day is, when me upset about, you have either fuck the man and the man a tell the people and the man a show and you are hide. I'm saying, how the fuck you are hide it and the man a show it? How the fuck you got Jamaica every day and in our house, your pussy fatter, your juicy, you look good. Then TikTok police must not be a batty man in our house with you and now fuck that big fat nice sour pussy. So something wrong for him now fuck you, him allergic to pussy. So obviously that Jamaica every day. So the way oh yeah do the TikTok liar thing, me irritate the TikTok, the police thing, it irritate me. Me say like, this bitch not understands, Lord God Almighty, bomba blood.